Right back down. Come on back, dude. There he is. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I missed him again. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in northern Wisconsin, targeting panfish on a very small lake. I'm Jesse from Team Extreme Fishing. This is my wife Susie. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so stick around. Should be a good video. We did, oh, I just got hit there. We did get into some decent sized perch so far and some bluegills. We're kind of filming this intro after the fact, but yeah, you can check this out on the True Wildlife channel along with some other great videos on there as well on True Wildlife YouTube channel. Okay, I'm using a Viper 1000 by PC Fun. You can get these at www.truewildlife.com on a 6'3" medium light action rod. She's using the Carbon X 2000 on a 6'10" medium light action rod. Yep, just straight mono with a 1/16 ounce jig. She's got a jig and a piece of crawler. Looks like she just got robbed in a split shot. You can pick all this up at truewildlife.com, www.truewildlife.com. All these great PC Fun products. A lot more stuff on there as well, accessories, things like that. Head over there, check that out. What's up?
Oh yeah.
Perch? Oh. That's a nice perch.
Oh God.
I'm over here trying to fix my camera. She's catching the fish. Nice. That's a good one. Good job. Going back.
Perch.
Another perch. Sitting on this rock hump out here in the lake. I'll have to put some map shots in. You can see them just on the Panoptics here. Good job. Up again. I'm trying to get one here casting. A bluegill.
Oh yeah.
Perch, that's a good perch. Perch and bluegill sitting on these rocks here. Nice. Threw it right on the head. Let's see if I can get this fish right there. I'm gonna see if I can get one here. There's a whole mob of them down there. Got him. Seen that on camera. You seen him eat there. Some better one. Bluegill. Some better bluegill on the liquid larva. Weeds or something down there. That's the little guy. Throw him there. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them out here. There's one on the bottom. She's hooked up. Yep. What? Calm down. Get out there. You can see them all stacked on there. Another one. Oh, I just got hit there. Hit again, they're right on it. Got him. You see me pulling him up there off the screen.
Yep.
That's so cool, yeah. Little bluegill. Liquid larva. Little speckled bluegill. And then back. Oh yeah, she's using a piece of a night crawler and I'm using the liquid larva. You can see them roaming the bottom here. No, I'm just going to make a cast out here. See if I can get this on camera. And on the ghetto scope, you can see it kind of falling there. She's got another one. I think she lost it. That's a bluegill. Yep. Just kind of following it. Pulling him up on the screen. So better than a bluegill. This lake doesn't have a lot of numbers of bluegills in here. You can only keep 5 of these, which we're not keeping any. We're just out here seeing if we can find some crappies. Looks like the bluegills are on this rock pile. We might check deeper for crappies and see. Alright, so she's just dropping right over the side of the boat. We're sitting on this hump. I'll put a map shot in of it. It's like a rise out in the main part of the lake that comes up. It's got some weeds on it, looks like. And the bluegills are sitting on the edge of it, like 16 feet. There's some perch in here too. I would suspect that the crappies are deeper. We're going to check that out in a little bit. And I'm just casting using the Panoptics, just casting around at fish that I see and picking them up as we do this. So stay tuned. Doubled up. Mine is not very big. And he hit it on the drop. That's a good perch. That's a good one. Mine is just a little bluegill. She must be sitting just on the deep edge of this drop here. Very good. Oh, careful. Nine-incher, another solid perch. Another thing, like these 1000 series are great for like on a panfish rod. This is just like a 6.3 for walleye, medium light, but they work really good. They balance really well on a, you can see they're on a panfish ultralight rod. I'm really starting to like these Viper X 1000s. Just a great affordable reel. I think they're priced around $39. Yeah, just an awesome little reel to have in your arsenal if you want to do some pan fishing like we are in northern Wisconsin today. Oh yeah, perch, another perch sitting off the weed edge here. Come on, perch. Good job. Another one, that's a perch. Freaking perch are everywhere in here. I'm casting out towards the deep to see if I can pick up some crappies, but so far nothing out this way. They're all on this weed edge here, sitting along this. Okay. As I was saying, they're all just sitting along this weed edge in like 14 to 16 feet. We're just casting around here. I'm casting out towards the deep, seeing if I can pick up something out this way. We'll see. What? They going to get off on you? No. It's perch again.
Perch.
There's a ton of these guys in here. Good job. How big's that one? What's that? Like, probably like a 7-8 incher, I'm guessing. 8. Probably like 8 or 9s would be good to eat, I would think. Yep. Just dropped it over the side of the boat.
Oh,
it's a bluegill. It's a better looking one, especially for this lake on that liquid larva. Especially on this particular body of water, there aren't very many bluegill this size in here. Here comes one. Right. Oh, I just got smoked. Drop it back down to him. That's crazy. I can see him. I got it on side view looking underneath the boat, and there's not much definition, but I can tell where my jig is. It's right under the boat. That was definitely a perch. You could tell by the tap, tap, tap. Got him. You seen that one. That's a perch. Well, that's cool. These are good eater size fish right here, man. They're like 8-9 inches. I mean, it's nice to get some jumbos. She just doubled up.
Yes. Perch.
Perch. They're just
Yeah.
flying around these weeds. Aggressive little guys. Twins.
Ooh.
Throw them back. Up and down. Up and in the face. Jiggle it around. God, missed him. A frig. Drop it back down there again. Oh, here he comes. Oh, he dipped off. Oh, here he comes again. Got him. It's another perch. It's a smaller perch. Little perch. Keep the camera rolling. I'm dropping back down on them. It's pretty cool. I got it looking over this way, and I can just sit here and jig on this weed edge. Essentially, that's what she's doing. Can't see her bait. She's a little bit farther back, but just reel it up a foot off bottom and just kind of bounce it around. They come flying around. They're in these, laying up in these weeds, eating whatever's in here and hiding from the bigger predator fish in here. I know there are muskie in this lake too. All right, that's gonna do it. Our little morning trip out here with the Viper X1000 and the Carbon X2000. Got on some good perch. It's a pleasant surprise. We were mainly looking for crappies, but that's how it goes sometimes. Did get some bluegills as well, targeting 14-16 feet of water, 16th ounce jig with a little split shot above it, about a foot or two above it to get it down there quick. Just looking around with the pan optics, finding weed edges. Did find a rock hump out mid-lake that was really nice. Got some bluegills and perch off that as well. Yeah, head over to www.truewildlife.com to check out some of these reels that we featured in this video today. Great drag, great affordable, dependable reel. You'll get a lot of years out of these things. Just a great product. Check out some more videos over at the YouTube True Wildlife channel as well. I'll link all that down below in the video. And as always, appreciate you all for watching this video, and stay tuned for our next video.